I left the whole store empty from no cereals.
Yes, sir.
Let them know.
He took it all.
No more left.
Cereals because I don't got them.
Oh, this shit is so crazy. This is my backyard. This is in my fucking backyard. What the fuck? This shit going crazy. Look at that. What the fuck? Man, this shit is insane. In my fucking backyard. They telling me I gotta evacuate. Yo, we really gotta evacuate now. Scat it! Hey, that's crazy. Where that motherfucking helicopter at, man? Hey, I need to get out of here, bro. They playing with me. My house about to fucking burn up. They playing. Oh my God. We're going to hell today. That's it. We're going. This is Channel 7 News. It's getting worse and worse. Oh! Man, I ain't never seen a fire in my fucking life. Bitch. You think they got fires in the hood in Carroll City, bitch? I ain't never seen no fucking fire. This is that LA shit. Fuck, boy. I'm kind of laughing, but hey, low-key, I'm kind of scared. Because you know what? If my house burned down, I'm moving back to Florida, bitch. Fuck, boy. I ain't coming back here, bitch. Set a fire. Ah! Ow, that kind of hurt my foot.
What's up, fams? We got to talk about this. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that sub button and shout out to my gang. Now, not Little Pump, y'all. Not Little Pump. Now, for the people that don't know what's going on, man, there's a huge wildfire in California and they burning down everything. Now, we don't know how this whole thing got started, but as you guys know, man, there's always wildfires in California, right? Now, this has been pretty bad, okay? So far, 5 people have been killed, and I'm sure that number is going to be a lot higher because this thing is only getting started, right? Like, once they extinguish the fires, they're going to find more bodies. There's going to be people that's going to be missing, so this is some sad stuff. Now, Little Pump posts on his Instagram today, basically documenting the fire being close to his backyard, and other celebrities are tweeting out right now, man. I mean, even Kim Kardashian, she tweeted out saying, I heard the flames have hit our property at our home in Hidden Hills, but now are more contained and have stopped at the moment. It doesn't seem like it's getting worse right now. I just pray the winds are in our favor. God is good. I'm praying everyone is safe. Now, this fire appears to be hitting the rich part of California. Now, Lil Pump posted a video saying this, and he says, man, his house getting burned down right now. This is what he had to say.
My house is burning down right now as we speak. So if you in Calabasas, get the fuck out your house right now. The whole thing catching on fire right now. My shit burning right now. My whole house is on fire right now. Dead ass. So you know what? I'm moving to Hawaii. I'ma move to Hawaii.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys, man. If my house got burned down, I'll be crying. But like, I've never seen someone like so like nonchalant, like so not even caring that his house is being burnt down right now. But I guess, man, that's what it feels like to be super rich. He's like, man, look, I'll just buy me another one. But this is what's happening right now. Little Pump's house is being burned down. Other people's house have been burned down. A lot of people are being affected by this fire, man. You guys let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. This is crazy stuff. Hopefully, man, more people do not die in this fire. This is serious stuff, man. Think about all the pets out there that have probably been left at their homes, killed, the animals that are dying in the fires. Sad stuff, man. I'm DomisLive and I'm out.